Hey, Sarah here from Born to Create. This is a series where I give tips and tricks for beginner DIYers. We need to talk about PPE. I know it's boring, but you can't skip this step. If you're doing any DIY projects, you need to have goggles. This first pair I got from Lowe's. They're very comfortable and give great coverage. This second pair I got from Amazon. I like these because they look a little bit more like glasses. They have great coverage. They have blue light blocking because I'm looking at the screen a lot, and they simply fit better underneath my hat, which I wear all the time to keep sawdust out of my hair. The other ones just don't quite fit as well. These are linked in my storefront. Secondly, you need a good respirator. I'm not gonna lie, I should have purchased this way sooner than I did. I have the one that I use linked on my Amazon storefront as well, but I encourage you to do your own research and get what's right for you. This needs to be worn when you're painting, especially spray painting, staining, or even sanding. Anything to do with fumes or sawdust in the air, this needs to protect your lungs. These come with removable filters, so make sure that you buy both parts. I'm sure there's other brands out there, but I love this one. It works really well for me. Last but not least, I cannot express this enough, wear closed-toed shoes. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Stay tuned for more. Okay, bye.